Welcome back to Tammy's Urban Kitchen. I just wanted to show you a quick and easy way to make some almond milk today. So here I have 2 cups of almonds soaked for 4 to 6 hours or overnight in the fridge, and then it makes that jar full, and then into the Ninja it's going to go. But first off, I'm going to rinse off the almonds and then put them into the blender, blend it up with about 1.5 cups of water, then add the rest of the water. So I will get at it. So first off, I'm going to rinse these almonds. So quick rinse. That's nice and full. I'm just going to add about 1.5 cups of water. Not all of it yet, just get those almonds blended up, and then I will add the rest of the water once it's blended for about a minute or two. And there's my jars I'm going to be putting that in. Into the blender it goes. Rest of the water, and then blend it again. I do like to let it sit for 30 seconds or so, just to let the almonds settle down to the bottom. It's a little easier to get it straining. And I usually set my these jars that I use, I put them in the sink just in case they spill, which I usually do. Not a big deal. And I also like to put the almond milk bag in my in my measuring cup, into the sink it goes too. Just saves the mess all over the counter if you do end up making one. But I will show you. I'll do this first here, but I usually do it in the sink. So you just fill it up until there's enough in there that you can strain. Don't want to fill it up too much at first, because otherwise it's harder to squeeze. And the nice thing about this too is I save all of my almond pulp. I will put it in a baggie today and then just put it into the fridge or freezer until I have a moment to put it on my dehydrator sheets, and then I will dry that out and make all kinds of things like raw brownies. It goes in my cookie recipes, basically anything that you would use any type of almond flour for. Yep, there's a nice big mess. But yeah, so that's why I do it in the sink, but I wanted to show you here, and I usually do this in the sink too. But nice and white that is. It will last 3 to 4 days in the fridge. I don't add any type of sweetener or anything to it. We just use it in our smoothies. And I do use pH 10 water. So I always have that ready to go beside my blender before I start. But yeah, we do use pH water, so you probably would be best to get some type of purified water if you are making your own almond milk. It is just nice not to have all the extra ingredients, right, that we don't really need. Normally I would make a double batch of this, and I would have another big jar of almond milk. But for the video, I just wanted to show you how simple it can be just to make 2 jugs of milk with 2 cups of almonds. So if you're wanting to see more videos like this, I'm thinking of maybe doing oat milk, all kinds of nut milks, but I stick to the almond milk. It seems like that's what we like the best, but I'm open to try others. So there we have our 2 jugs, and into the fridge they will go. Easy as that. And then just quickly wash out all your tools and you are done. Easy as that. I just wanted to show you also how I just put the almond pulp in my bag and put it in the freezer, and then this is what I end up with, a big jar of almond pulp to use for brownies, cookies, you name it. So that is that. So what I'll do is I will just put my milk bag into the plastic bag. I know. Okay. Take it out into the sink, it goes, and then just flatten it out a little bit, just so it all freezes evenly. If you're not putting it in the dehydrator or drying it out right away, I'll just do this, get it, we'll flatten the bag, and then I'll put it in the freezer until I'm ready to dehydrate it. I have a big jar already, so I'm not in any big rush to get that into the dehydrator, but that is what I do. Into the freezer it goes, and then this is the product we end up with. So that is the jar of pulp we end up with after we dehydrate it. I'll show you guys a video of my dehydrator too one day. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I'll show you some dehydrator recipes one day. Get my dehydrator out and show you. But yeah, it's wonderful. Thanks for watching.